Hi folks, this is our John Deere 510 round baler. When we bought it, it was really brand new. It had only been used once, and somebody tried to bale straw in it and they didn't know how to run a round baler, so they gave up on it and it sat in a shed for years. And I paid $4,000 for it. I drove from St. John, Washington down to the Dalles, Oregon, and we met the guy on the bridge down there, and that's where we picked this baler up and drove and pulled it home. And we can see we put some implement wheels and tires on it to pull it this far. So here we go, my dad and I are looking it over.
The paint is more off the front of that, Mike. See that?
Really, our cost is only $1,000 with our getting rid of the baler.
$1,000 over the other baler. You had it for 15 years. It's probably 20 years old. See? Right down underneath there. We put them tires on transport on the road. That log's a good deal on there, Mike.
And this is a round baler This is the round baler you see in the videos on this channel when I'm baling with the case wheel tractor.
This bale is around 140 bales, so it's all run through it. You never find something like this again, Mike. Even for new machinery, I'll tell you that.
See, the guy plugged it up and he just pulled it home and quit using it. All I did was clean it out. The first time I baled, I had no problem at all.
See what that is? That throws up against the rods. It throws it right in there, don't it?
Plus, this is rubberized. It's more than else rubberized.
Yeah.
I'm showing Dad how the twine gets fed down in between the rollers.
What's that deal there, Mike, with that thing with the hole in it right there? That big shaft sticking up right here. On the tongue, that thing right there. What's that for?
Those hold your jack.
Hold your jack? Oh, I see.
You got a hydraulic tank.
There's your twine box inside. There's your bale count over there. You see the tailgate comes below the back belt. Well, that's good.
We had this up there, Jack.
This was a very good baler, and I used it for many years.
That New Holland wouldn't, or the other one you had up there? Every 3 minutes, these bales got to be well over 1,000 pound, big 1,200 pound bales. He's at least getting 10 an hour. This is